Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 59 of Surah An-Nisa. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. يا أيها الذين آمنوا. Yeah, is very soft letter. You're lifting your tongue up towards your palate, but you're not touching it. That makes yeah very a soft letter, and it is 4 counts long. Yeah, I Hamza is very sharp. Fatha, open your jaws, attach with yeah, and yeah will get number. And number is a jump of sound. I. When you are attaching this Hamza with yeah, here you are applying number. I. And keep yeah light with this number. It's little tricky, but yes, with practice you can do it. I. And for dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is short with dhamma. You. Hal ha from your last part of your throat. For fatha, open jaws, attach with lam. Lam will get the wasut. Hal. And for fatha, the sound is short. La. The 2 counts long. Na short. Hamza is very sharp and make it 2 counts long. Ma short. No for the circle lips, make it 4 counts long. Hamza is very short and very sharp. Sharp means there is no flow of sound. The sound um, uh, is there and then it cuts off and there is no flow. Ta is heavy and make it 2 counts long. Roll ain from your throat. Dhamma, circle your lips, attach with lafz jalala. Lafz jalala will be heavy because you can see dhamma before it. Whenever there is dhamma or fatha before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, it's always heavy and heavy. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name sounds like law, law. Lo, ha is short. Wa for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws. There's no flow of sound here. Ta is heavy. Make it 2 counts long. Rul. This ain will not be any more long because this is attached with the coming up letter. Ruru. And ra will get the wasut. Ruru. Ra is heavy. For fatha, open your jaws. Whenever ra is with dhamma or fatha, it is heavy. Su. Make it 2 counts long. Circle your lips for dhamma. La short. Wa for wow. Circle your lips for fatha. Open your jaws. The sound is short. U. Hamza is short here because we are not considering this wow because you can see this little zero at the top. It means we are not pronouncing this wow. So Hamza is separate. So Hamza sound of Hamza will be very short. U. Lil for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Lil. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open jaws, attach with meme. Meme will get sifa of the wasut. Ri for kasra give e sound. Ming for kasra give e sound. Even though there is ikhfa coming up, but don't ignore this e sound. Ni and then create ikhfa. Ming ming. This ikhfa is very unique and very beautiful with kaf. It sounds like ibhar. Can you feel? Yes, but it has this kaf component in it. Minkum for dhamma circle lips, attach it meme, meme will get sifa of tawasut. Fa give hams, and hams is a flow of breath. For fatha, open jaw. For kasra give e sound. Hamza is very sharp. Give ikhfa here, and ikhfa, the other name of ikhfa is gunna. So gunna is very compulsory part of ikhfa. Fa-in, and gunna is keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Fa-in, ta is very sharp. For fatha, upon your jaws, there is no flow of sound in ta. Ta, na, 2 counts long. Za, for fatha, open your jaws, attach with ain. Ain will get a sifa of the wasl and it should be from your throat. Za, tum, for dhamma circle your lips, attach with meme. Meme will get sifa of the wasl. Fi, 2 counts long. Shay, it is lean, so make it 2 counts long. Ikhfa, and this ikhfa is light, so keep your tongue straight. If, give hums in fa for fatha open jaws. Rud, ra is heavy for dhamma, circular lips attached with dal. Dal has a sharp sound. There is no flow of sound. The sound will cut off there and then. Rud, do. For dhamma, circular lips, make it 2 counts long. Who have is from last part of your throat. For dhamma, circular lips, the sound is very short. E for kasra, give E sound. La, keep this lam light because ila, the sound of this word, lam will be light, but as you will touch Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, this will be heavy. Listen how we control it. E, la, la, that will be heavy. Why it's heavy? Because there is fatha before it. Ilallahi. Wa for wow, circle your lips. Attach with ra. Ra will be heavy because ra is with fatha. Wa, and give tawassut first. When you are attaching wow with ra, you are giving tawassut, and then ra will be heavy. Both when you are giving tawassut, ra will be heavy. When you are giving fatha, ra will be heavy. Both ways, ra will be heavy. Wa, ra, su. For the circular limbs, make it 2 counts long. Li, for kasra, give E sound. This is in, ikhfa. You're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. In, kun. For dhamma, circle your lips. And when you will hit this ikhfa, your tongue should be in a straight position and your lips should be in a straight position too. Kuntum. For dhamma on ta, circle your lips, attach with meme. As you will hit meme, your lips should be in a straight position and give tawassut. In kuntum tu. For dhamma, circular lips attached with hamza. Hamza will give a abrupt stop. So yes, because hamza is shidda letter, there is no flow here. Tu, mi for kasra, give e sound. Nu for dhamma, circular lips, make it 2 counts long. Na, short. Bil for kasra, give e sound attached with lafz jalala. Lafz jalala will be light because you can see kasra before it. Billahi for kasra, give E sound. Wal for wow, circular lips. For fatha, open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Yaw, it will be 2 counts long and soft. Mil for kasra, give E sound attached with lam. Lam will get tawassut. Mil. Hamza is very sharp, no flow of sound, make it 2 counts long. Khi, kha is heavy and attached with ra because we are giving waqf. Khi, ra will be light because there is kasra before it. Khir, and give the wasut too because you are giving sakun. The 2 counts long. Li for kasra, give e sound. Ka, kaf is light, and for fatha, open your jaws, the sound is short. Khoi, kha is heavy. Make it 2 counts long. Make it soft because this is lean. Lean means to make anything soft. So khoi, urun, idgham with gunna. Keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Urun, wa. For wow, circular lips, for fatha, open jaws. Ah, hamza is very sharp for fatha, open jaws, and give rukhawa on ha. Ah, sa, sa. Seen for fatha, open jaws, the sound is very short. Nu for the circular lips. Ta, ta is very sharp, no flow of sound, and then it is attaching with hamza, which has no flow of sound. So the sound should be very sharp and clear. Ta, we, wow, circular lips, make it 2 counts long. La, mad, awad. So you're making it 2 counts long. يا أيها الذين آمنوا أطيعوا الله وأطيعوا الرسول وأولي الأمر منكم فإن تنازعتم في شيء فردوه إلى الله والرسول إن كنتم تؤمنون بالله واليوم الآخر ذلك خير وأحسن تأويلا. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.